Welcome to Resley, one of the leading manufacturers and exporters of denim garments. We all agree that denim fabric is a timeless staple that has transcended fashion trends and seasons. From the classic indigo denim to the edgy distressed jeans, this versatile fabric has something for everyone. Over the years, we have become renowned for delivering high-quality denim jeans and garments using innovative processes and advanced technologies, particularly in the area of denim washing. In this video, we will dive into the world of denim washing. Well, denim washing is more than just a process. It is an art that brings out the unique character of each garment. At Resley, we offer a wide range of denim washes to cater to diverse styles and preferences. From acid washing, enzyme to stone washing, each washing technique is carefully chosen to achieve the desired look and feel. Our state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities are equipped with semi and fully automated machines to ensure consistent quality and minimal shade variations. Now, let's talk about enzyme washing. Considered as one of the most popular methods, enzyme washing uses natural enzymes to break down the denim fibers. What you get is the faded appearance with softer feel. Enzyme wash can help achieve a variety of finishes from light faded look to distressed effect. Coming to stone washing, it is a classic technique that uses pumice stones to soften and fade the denim fabric. That's why stone washed jeans have a vintage worn-in look and feel. Besides, we use eco-friendly laser technology that allows us to create endless numbers of designs with precision and perfection. We use water-saving techniques such as ozone washing in order to minimize our environmental impact. Whether it's a classic indigo or a dark washed denim, every pair of jeans tells a story, and we make sure that it is a story of quality, innovation, and sustainability. Reach out today for denim orders and experience the difference.